Welcome to this first instructional video on how to set up a Moodle blog. Step 1. After entering your Moodle homepage, choose your course, your unit of study, and then turn editing on. Step 2. Choose the Add an Activity or Resource option, and this will bring up a list of learning activities that are available on Moodle. Scroll down until you see the OU blog, highlight it, and then click on Add. Step 3. Once we're on the page, then this is where we can set up the content of our blog. First of all, we'll give ourselves a blog name, and we're going to call it Moodle Blog Test, and we're going to provide an intro. Now, this intro provides 3 instructions for learners that typically could be used in a joinery workshop or plumbing workshop, for example, where you want to provide the learners with instructions to upload a photograph from their phone to the blog and then provide a short evaluation on it. So 3 particular statements for the students to follow: provide a brief description of the work you undertook and upload a photograph taken on your phone, one thing you did that worked well, that you were pleased with, one thing you might improve if you were to do it again, helping them to develop some evaluative skills on their work. The default position is to allow comments from anyone who's logged in, so we're going to use that. And individual blogs. The default position is that each student, in this case, can see each other's work and provide comments when they're logged in. However, we're going to choose separate individual blogs. This allows the learner to upload their work knowing that no other students can see it and only the lecturer can comment on it. It's a good option if you find there's some behavioural difficulties with students, or if there are confidential issues that they might be uploading, or indeed if they're new to blogs and you feel the need to generate a wee bit of confidence in sharing their work first of all before others see it. We're going to click on this option, Show Intro with Posting, so that the learners can see the 3 statements above. And we're going to put the maximum attachment size, because they're using photographs, to 250 megabytes, should be sufficient for them, and we'll allow them 5 attachments per entry. They certainly shouldn't need any more than that. The rest of this, folks, is a number of options that you can use, and when you get used to blogs you can get to play around with the advanced options and stuff. We'll just go to this one, and this will allow us to post from this particular date until this particular date. We're going to hit Enable on these, and this will define the dates. So, for example, we're going to let them post until the 20th of February, and we're going to allow them to comment until the 25th of February. This allows us to choose whether we're going to grade the students. We're not going to do it in this instance, but there's a variety of grading techniques such as scales, comments on complete, incomplete work, or BTEC ratings, pass, merit and distinction. But importantly, we're going to save and return to course. And we can see our Moodle blog test has appeared here for the students to enter and work on. Thank you.